Let's go over how the no tax on tips deduction works for self-employment income. The self-employment tips are listed on line 5 of Schedule 1A. That line is for qualified tips received in the course of a trade or business and reported on Forms 1099 NEC, 1099 Miscellaneous, or 1099-K with self-employment income. You would need to have some kind of formal summary from the company that issued the form that would show you how much in tips you've received. Do not enter more than the net profit from the trade or business. For example, let's say you had a tutoring business as a sole proprietor. In 2025, you received $500 in qualified tips, and the tutoring company issued you a 1099 NEC showing $5,000 of non-employee income. Your expenses were $700, so your net income was $4,300. On Schedule 1A, line 5, you can enter the full $500 of tips because your business income of $4,300 is more than that. Let's go to another example where you may receive a lot of tips if you work as a non-employee for Uber Eats. Let's say you earned $15,000, of which $7,000 was tips, and your Uber Eats expenses, including standard mileage and other business expenses, reduced your net income to $5,000. In that case, the net income for the business is $5,000. And only that amount can be entered on line 5 of Schedule 1A. You cannot include the full $7,000 of tip income. If you have multiple businesses for which you receive tipped income, you would have to complete the multiple business worksheet. If you want to see who qualifies and how the final deduction is calculated on Schedule 1A, see my other videos on those topics. Thanks so much for watching.